Subscribe for more videos. Please comment and share. Class 8 Computer Chapter 5 Coding in Python. Questions and answers. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. A. Integer data type is used to store numeric values. B. Dictionary are the kind of key value pairs. C. Logical operator is used to evaluate relational expressions. D. The smallest individual unit in a program is called token. A. Input statement is used to accept value to the variable given by the user. 2. Select the most suitable alternative. A. Which of the following is a Python tuple? I. 1, 2, 3. E. 1, 2, 3. E. 1, 2, 3. IV. Closing parenthesis opening curly bracket closing curly bracket. Answer E. 1, 2, 3. B. What is the output of the expression 30% 6? I. 0. E. 5. E. 1. IV. 8. Answer I. 0. C. Which of the following is a data type? I. List. E. Tuple. E. Dictionary. IV. All of these. Answer IV. All of these. D. Which of the following is a logical operator? I. And. E. Or. E. Not. IV. All of these. Answer IV. All of these. A. Which is a working mode in Python? I. Programming mode. E. Script mode. E. Execution mode. IV. All of these. Answer E. Script mode. 3. Write short notes on A. Keyword. Answer keywords are the reserved words that have specific function in a program. These words are used while writing program to get desired output. B. Data type. Answer data types are kind of data that are to be stored in the variables which is being used while writing a program. C. List. Answer it is a compound data type in which the items present in the list is separated by commas and enclosed within square brackets. D. Tuple. Answer tuples are similar to the list which consist of different values which are separated by commas and enclosed within parentheses. A. Literals. Answer literals are data items that never change their value during the execution of a program. These are commonly termed as constants. F. Character set. Answer character set in Python consist of valid characters such as alphabets, digits or special characters that are recognized by the library of Python language. 4. Answer the following question. A. List few applications of Python. Answer few applications of Python are web development, game development, machine learning and artificial intelligence, data science and data visualization, desktop GUI, web scraping applications, business applications, audio and video applications. B. Explain the features of Python. Answer Python supports object-oriented language and concepts of classes and objects come into existence. It supports inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation, etc. The object-oriented procedure helps the programmer to write reusable code and develop applications in less code. C. Explain about Python character set. Answer the Python character set is a valid set of characters recognized by the Python language. These are the characters we can use during writing a script in Python. Python supports all ASCII Unicode characters that include alphabets, all capital and small a to z alphabets. D. What is the drawback of interactive mode in Python? Answer interactive mode is useful for testing code. We can type the commands one by one and get the result of error immediately for each command. Disadvantages of interactive mode are that it does not save commands in form of a program and also output is sandwiched between commands. A. Explain the guidelines for creating identifiers in Python. Answer guidelines for creating identifiers in Python are 1. Identifiers can be combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, digits or an underscore. 2. An identifier cannot start with digit. 3. We can't use special symbols like hash, at, %, $etc. in our identifier. 4. Identifier can be of any length. F. How to insert single line and multi-line comments in Python. Answer the first way is by using hash at the beginning of each line of the comment. The next way is by using string literals but not assigning them to any variables. If you do not assign a string literal to a variable, the Python interpreter ignores it. Use this to your advantage to write multi-line comments. G. What is data type? List different types of data types in Python. Answer. Data types are kind of data that are to be stored in the variables which is being used while writing a program. In Python, there are 5 standard data types. 1. Numbers. Syntax: variable underscore name equals value. Example: marks equals 95. 2. String. Syntax: string underscore name equals text. Example: name equals Micah. 3. List. Syntax: list underscore name equals elements. Example: list1 equals Micah 9 1. 2. 4. Tuple. Syntax: tuple underscore name equals elements. Example: tuple equals Micah 123 1. 10. Sanjay. 5. Dictionary. Syntax: dictionary underscore name equals dictionary underscore name key equals value. Example: dict equals dict hello equals welcome to Micah. 5. Identify the errors in the following program code. A. Hashtag program to print sum of 3 numbers whose values are 10, 12 and 15. Num1 equals 10. Num2 equals 12. Num3 equals 15. Sum equals num1 plus num2 plus num3. Print sum. Answer. Errors in program code is print sum. B. Hashtag program to input and display the name of your school. Name equals input, your school name. Print name. Answer. Errors in program code is print name. C. Hashtag program to find the square of the number 5. Num equals 5. Cube equals num. Print sum. Answer. Errors in program code are num equals 5, cube equals num and print sum. Next chapter, chapter 6, decision making in Python. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. Please keep watching with Power Brain TV. Thanks for watching this video.